will teach how to connect the database in using C#. First I need to already I installed all programs. I am going to Microsoft SQL Server 2008 R2 database engine here. Here I already installed SQL Server Management Studio and SQL Server R2 database here. So you didn't install the SQL Server R2, it defaultly installed SQL Server 2005, like what is this, you install the C# 2010 or 8 anything, Visual Studio, it default Express edition will be installed. Here I have SQL Server Management Studio. Just I am clicking the SQL Server Management Studio here. Management Studio, what's SQL Server 2008 R2 database is opening here. So you have to specify your computer name or inside bracket equal local. You have to put anything, it will work. Hit local or dot or your IP address. Then the 3-way or 4-way is working. So now I am just putting the dot sign. So you have to remind one thing. You have installed SQL Server 2008 is database engine, then only you have to put the dot here. Otherwise you have to using the Express edition, then you have to put your computer name or dot and slash SQL Server expression edition expression. Okay, depends upon your server, it will work. Okay, I have installed two server. One is SQL Express edition and another one is Enterprise edition. Okay, now I am connecting to Enterprise edition. Just click the dot sign here, just and click connect. So I am using Windows authentications. So my database will be database engine will be start. Okay, I think it started. So here database tab folder is there. Here I have the many databases here. So I need to create a one database. Right click, new database. So here I am typing my database name is what I am typing, testdb. This is my database name, and I am click just OK. I have nothing to do anything, just click testdb and OK. Inside the testdb I have one small plus sign, is just click the plus sign. Here table is the table. Here didn't see any table. Here system tables only here you can see. So system table. So OK, now I am click the tables and right click new table. Click new table. Once is a new column is coming. So here I am typing the column name. I am typing ID. Here int name varchar 15 and age I am putting int. Amount. Okay, I am using float. Just Ctrl S or click save button, or else you have to close. Anything you can do, or click save. Right click the mouse and click save. So it asking promote the choose name. So table name here and typing to what the table name, EMP. Employee or EMP, just put the table name here and click OK. You have to see, say OK. What I do, I am put primary key here, just put the primary key, right click the set primary key here. OK, and Ctrl S to save. So OK, so I have created the table here. One is ID, another one is OK. So one more thing I will show. I need to go to design. Now I am setting the primary key here and save, Ctrl S. So the table will be promote some warning messages because you using the first time, then it will be show like that. So that time you have to what time to go to tools and options, here designs and table and database designs. You have to prevent saving changes that require to recreation. So uncheck that button and click OK. Now I am here to put a control yes, then it perfectly saved. So now we have to once again you have to see, go to design. So you have to see the primary key is append. Okay, what I do, so nothing, I'm just created one test db database and created one user defined table. Okay, now I'm just close the server. Right now no need the server, I think. So now I'm opening the projects. This is my new project. So I'm nothing, just go to file and new and click a project. It will become like that. Okay, so what I'm do, I have so I'm checking the database connectivity here. So by the database connectivity I will design some fields here. So meanwhile I am just pausing the record. So I already designed those things. So now you have to click the get button here. So the code will be promoted here. So the viewing purpose I am just changing to the big size, like 130 is enough, I think. 30 size. Okay, so here you have to see the code here. So what database connected, everything and all. So first what we do, just you have to add some namespace here, like system dot data dot sql client. Okay, so what I do, I am going to the view and click the server explore here. So here you have to connect the database here. Just you have to click the connect database icons and it will promote, and click the dot here and select your database or database test db. Okay, now you have to click the OK button. So the test db database, it will become here. So you have to see your what database, employee database and everything. So what we do, so you have to using the SQL connection, con equal to new SQL connection. So inside a connection you have to put the connection string. Just right click and you have to show the connection string here. Just select those connection string, Ctrl A and Ctrl C, and here inside a double quote you have to paste it. So what we done, I'm connecting those things. Okay, so just I am hiding those things. You have to see full view right now. So okay, what we done, just I am changing those things. Okay, now I am press enter here and I am writing the code like I need to SQL data adapter SDA equal to new SQL data adapter. Inside a query I am return like select star from table name EMP, right? EMP where ID equal to text box 1 dot text. So I need to connect those things using the connection string here. So and press enter. I'm using data table dt equal to new data table here. So now I'm using SQL data adapter dot full. Here I am choosing dt. Okay, now I am press enter. So what can I do? Just I am going to SQL data adapter here and click the EMP database and write the sum. I am passing the values to data table directly using ID equal to 1 and name equal to Raja and age equal to 25 and amount equal to 3000. And same like I am just copying those things and control C, control V. Here I am changing those things. Raja equal to Ravi and age equal to 30 and amount equal to 6000, like that. Okay, but now I am going to coding part. Here I am writing text box 1 dot text equal to dt dot rows 0 comma 0 to string, and copy those things, control C and paste, control V, control V, control V. Here I am changing those things to 3 and 4. Here I am changing row is to 0, so I am changing to column ID equal to 0, 1, 2 and 3 and control S. So now I am just run those things. So here I am writing 1 and click get. So we get the data. So this is a connection string. Connecting method is 1. Okay, I will show on next method. So I will